Control Trotter.
Nice shorts. Where can I get a rip like that?
Babe, come on now.
Your brother. Challenge your brother.
This is the ice bucket challenge.
Look at that fat.
That's fucked up.
I've been challenged,
Do some bone
so I
shit.
challenge Todd Henderson,
Uh-oh.
Robin Mosley, Rodney Caps,
Oh, he's calling out the whole church. Get
Dakota
Brother Carter in
Seal.
it. Get
He did it
Brother
already.
Carter in it. Get
Trevor
Brother
Chandler.
Carter. Get Brother Carter. Yes.
T. Jism, Quentin Reed, and Billy Thompson.
Uh-oh.
And April Trotter.
Yep. And he did not want to do this, y'all. He said he wasn't.
Oh, you asshole.
Alright, hurry up before it melts.
Your word.
I get Sam. Control's like, alright, fucker.
He put warm water in there.
The water comes out like that. You good?
Y'all gonna get it.
That shit.